Hello and welcome to Sheets by James. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to make a pie chart using a given set of data. So as you look over here, I have vehicle and MSRP. And let's say I wanted to make a pie chart using this data set. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight the two columns the data set is in and drag your mouse all the way down to row 11, which in my case is where the data set ends. Yours could be further, it could be like row 15 or 16. And once you've done that, you're going to click the insert button here. And over here, you're going to see a circle, and that is the insert pie or donut chart. So let's click on that. So you have various options here. You can make a 2D pie chart, a 3D pie chart, or a donut. So for today, we're going to use the 2D pie. So let's click on that. So over here, you see the MSRP, but we can also change that. So we can say car models and their MSRP. But you may be wondering that this data set, or this pie chart rather, does not include how much of the pie each car model is taking. In order to fix this, you're going to click on the plus button, and when you click on it, you're going to see underneath chart title, data labels. So let's click on it. So as you can see, now we can see how much of the pie each car model is taking. Now you may get data like this where it's inside the pie chart. This can be fixed very easily if you just drag it outside, so it can look like that. This is I'll just delete that. That happens. So you can do that. Now you may be wondering, maybe I want to change the style of it, which you definitely can. So if you click this paintbrush icon rather, you can change the color. So you can, if you don't like this color scheme, you can click the color and click this one. So you can have this one, and it also you may notice it also updates this legend as well. So you can have that as well. If you click style, you can click this one or this one if you so want to. This one's a little bit cramped. You would have to reorganize reorganize rather um, the the values so that they're not overlapping each other. But let's say I wanted this one, which is a very colorful one, but it also shows the data. So let's click on it. So as you can see, we have the pie chart again and the values surrounding it. If you have any comments or any questions, let me know down in the comment section. If you want more tutorials like this, be sure to let me know. And let me also know if you want to see more videos about charts or about anything else about Excel. I thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more Excel tips just like this one. Take care and have a great day.